Are you tired of crying every time you cut an onion? You're not alone. But the good news is, there are simple tricks to chop onions without tearing up. First, chill the onion in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before cutting. Cold onions release fewer irritant gases that make your eyes water. Next, make sure you use a sharp knife. A dull knife crushes the onion cells, releasing more of the tear-inducing compounds. Another effective method is to cut the onion under running water or near a bowl of water. The water absorbs some of the sulfur compounds before they reach your eyes. You can also try ventilation. Turn on your kitchen fan or cut near an open window to blow the gases away. For an extra tip, cut off the root last. The root contains the highest concentration of sulfur compounds, so leaving it for the end helps reduce tears. Finally, if all else fails, wearing kitchen gloves or even swimming goggles works surprisingly well. With these simple tricks: chilling, using a sharp knife, cutting underwater, ventilating, and saving the root for last, you can finally enjoy cooking onions without the tears. Give them a try next time and see how much easier it is to prep your meals without crying.